Our world has changed, from the way we do business to simple interactions and everyday habits. Life as we know it has changed, but a warm welcome has not. Working with our partners, we're helping to create safer spaces for guests, for friends, families, for the people around us. Behind the scenes, we'll be there to provide the best-in-class cleaning and services that you expect, so that guests can enjoy the moments that matter. Together, we must embrace change and make being together both today and tomorrow safer. Our world has changed, but our standard of clean hasn't.